Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Hey girlies, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am Charniq. I'm gonna be giving y'all a soft girl makeup look. I want to give y'all like a nice, quick, soft, simple makeup look for the spring and summertime. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I got this flawless soft girl makeup look. Super natural. It's giving skin. It's giving a quick light enhancement. Okay, I just love how it came out. It looks so good. It looks so smooth. It's giving butter. Let's go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial. Okay, so we're jumping straight into the skin prepping part. You do not want to skip out on this step because this is going to give you that flawless finish. So I'm starting with my First Aid Beauty Facial Radiant Pads. These pads help exfoliate, tone, and brighten your skin. I love these facial pads so much, y'all. I use these on my clients. 10 out of 10 recommend. So just a quick tip, if you want that smooth skin butter finish, you want to make sure you exfoliate before applying your makeup, and these pads are going to get the job done. So I'm taking these blemish control pads also from First Aid Beauty. These help with breakouts and remove any excess oil. So I'm going to also rub that all over my face.
Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Now it's time to moisturize with this hyaluronic acid moisturizer. This is going to help bring that hydration back into my skin. So I'm going to apply that all over my face.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Taking this repair cream from First Aid Beauty. This moisturizer is 10 out of 10 recommend, y'all. It's so good for hydration and just bringing that moisture back into your skin. I do like to go in with 1 or 2 moisturizers. It just really depends, but I love these moisturizers together. Like the combination really gave bomb results.
She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is another hydrating product. Their hydrating primer. Love this stuff so much. I actually want to get into trying other primers, but yes, this one is definitely my top favorite. So I'm applying that all over my skin, and look at the skin. It's giving glow and it's ready for the makeup. So let's get into NARS. I'm taking my NARS foundation. I will list like the products and like the shades and stuff down below for y'all, because I do get questions on like what shade and stuff that I use. So everything is going to be listed down below in my description box. And as you can see, girl, I took a little foundation because we want like a nice light beat, and this product goes a long way, so you really don't need much of it anyway. And look how that product melt in my skin, y'all. It just gives butter. It looks so good. So I'm taking my Real Technique brush and I'm just blending and patting that product in, going in with my Tarte Shape concealer. Best concealer ever. So I'm applying a little bit under my eyes and also on the outer corner of my eyes. And this is like the trendy makeup girl look that the girlies was doing, and I'm not gonna lie, I really do love this method. So of course I'm going to highlight under my eyes, middle of my chin, above my lip, middle of my nose, in the middle of my forehead. And while I let that concealer sit, I'm going to go in with a darker shade, and we're going to just contour it just a little bit, not too much, because I don't want my contour to be super dramatic. So I'm just applying a little bit on the sides, in the middle of my cheeks, and then a little on the forehead. And this is how it looks, and we're going to blend that out. So I'm blending out my contour first. I'm using that same brush that I use to apply my foundation. Y'all, I've been using the same brushes, okay? I've been using the same 2, 3, 4 brushes for different stuff. That's just me. But you do you, and I'ma do me. But no, for real, I use like the same brushes and it all works out for me. So I'm blending out my contour first, and then I'm going to go in with another Real Technique brush, and I'm going to blend out my highlight. And again, like I said, I'm going to list all the brushes and stuff also down below for you girlies, so y'all can go check that out. I don't have any cream blush, so I'm going to be DIYing my own little blush with some lipstick. So I'm taking some red and pink lipstick, and I'm going to mix those two shades together, and we're going to get the blush look, okay, period. And it looks so cute. It came out so good. Oh yeah, until I get my hands on some cream blush, we're going to be doing this technique from now on, okay? It looked so good. It came out just as good as regular blush would. So I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I live by this translucent powder. If you know, you know. I'm going to apply that translucent powder everywhere that I highlight my face. I'm just pressing that powder in. Do not be afraid to press your powders in, ladies. And I'm also going to carve out my cheeks with this powder as well. Oh, now I'm going to set my blush. So I'm taking this orange and pink shade. I'm going to mix those two shades together, and we're going to set the blush. It looks so pretty. This is usually like my blush combination, and it comes out chef kiss every time. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation powder. I'm going to set all over where I contour. I love this powder, y'all. Like, she did her thing with this powder. I'm going in with another foundation powder in my actual shade, and I'm going to set the rest of my face with this powder. Now it's time to do my brows. I'm going in with my Maybelline pencil, and I'm going to just lightly do my brows. I usually would fill them in red, but for the sake of the video, girl, we're just gonna do them regular. So that is what y'all see me doing. I like to start at the bottom of my brows and then carve the top and then fill in as I go. I'm going in with the same concealer that I used to highlight, and I'm taking my concealer brush and I'm going to carve out my eyebrows. So I'm only carving the bottom of my eyebrows for this video because the top just looks good. We don't even need to clean the top up. And then I'm going in with a darker shade, and I'm going to carve the beginning of my eyebrows. If you watch my eyebrow tutorial, then you know this is like my go-to technique. I'll be sure to link that down below so you guys can see a more detailed eyebrow tutorial. But yes, so I'm going to blend that out. I like to kind of blend the dark shade a little down like my nose, just to create that nose contour type of vibe. So that is what y'all see me doing, and look, it came together. You can see the nose looks contoured, and we didn't even really contour it for real. So that's like my little technique that I love to do. I'm taking some mascara before I apply my lashes. I don't know why I do this. I just honestly like to do it. I feel like it gives me like a guide on where to place my lashes. I'm taking my Duo lash glue. I didn't like this lash glue at first, but I had to kind of get a little used to it, and a little goes a long way. So I learned not to apply so much of it. And yeah, these lashes are so cute. I got them from my local beauty supply store, and lashes just always makes a difference. Like, lashes take you from a 10 to 100, baby. Okay, so I'm blending out the rest of that powder and pretty much just finishing up my face. I'm going to take these two little highlight shades and lightly highlight my cheekbones. And then for my lips, y'all know my lip combo. If you don't know, I like to take like brown concealer, and then I went in with the same pink that I use for like the blush, and I don't really like this pink on my lips. I don't know, but yeah, it just was not giving what my usual lip combo gives, but it came out okay for the sake of the video. But usually I would go in like with a lighter concealer and just add it on there, but I'm topping it with some gloss. Then I'm taking my Morphe setting spray, spraying my face, and girl, we are done. That is the look, ladies. So I hope you girlies enjoyed. Don't forget to check down below my description box for all the details. Love you girlies so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.